எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். எனக்கு தமிழ் புரிஞ்சது, பட் பேசுறதுக்காக கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமாக இருக்கு. ஸோ ப்ளீஸ் pardon me. I'll speak in English and Hindi. It's been almost 3-4 years that I've not been to Chennai, and it feels really amazing to meet you all today for my upcoming movie, Martin. This is a very special day for me since it's my song release, and especially it's in Tamil language that we're releasing it today. And to share the first glimpse with all of you all, it's been a really amazing experience. Please support Pananga, and the rest I think we all will have to wait for 11th of October to watch our film Martin. Thank you.
அடுத்ததாக நாம் பேச அழைக்கிறோம். திசை எங்கும் ஒலிக்க போகும் ஒரு குரல் செந்திர குருதியில்